welcome back, Bon Appétite Freaks. We are here at Milk and Honey. Yes, me and we are here to throw down. Simple disclaimer, when I say throw down, that means we are here to eat. Make sure you like, and comment down below, so you can stay up to date to all the videos that we drop in every single Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So this isn't my first time at Milk and Honey. I'm sorry, I'm guilty. I actually shot a video a while back, but I just never posted it. So I said, let me go, I'm a little bit more experienced as a content creator. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a good video because I felt like this restaurant deserved a real good video. The first one was, it was okay. It was in the beginning stages of me being a content creator. So there's 3 locations. Wesley Chapel, actually there's only 2 locations, I'm sorry. So there's 2 locations. The third one is supposed to open up in Snellville. I'm not sure of the status on that, but I will find out. So there's 2 locations, Cascade, Georgia, and Decatur, Georgia, off of Wesley Chapel. I'm not even sure if I said that right. Cascade, Georgia, it's on the west side, Georgia. That's where it's at, off of Cascade. Cascade is the road, I'm tripping. Never mind, I bleeped that out. So, yeah, you need to check out, I've been to both locations. This one is my favorite. It's like a little bit more bumped up from the other one. The other one is straight. It just doesn't have a lot of sitting area and a lot of room on the inside. It's more of a walk-in type spot. So, the Mimosas is here. Strawberry, orange juice. They're both mine, because you can't have that.
It smells very tingly.
It smells tingly. I'm going to use that. It tastes tingly too.
But does it taste like strawberry?
Yeah, it tastes just like strawberries.
I like strawberry.
I know you do, but this is not for you. This is for the adults. Sorry, pout face. This tastes real good. I like this one. That strawberry champagne. One down, one to go. This one is just like real sweet. It tastes like Moscato. Thank you. This is yours. Now we're just waiting for the food.
So we got a fork.
Cheers. Alright, so let's pour the syrup on there. Yeah, you can do it. We're gonna fill up each square. That's what you're talking about. Alright, you ready? Way too many in a square. You better get your square. Look, look, look. I love you, Tim. I want to taste this now. Ooh, this is spicy. Oh, there's jalapenos in it. Huh? You want to try this? This is good. It's a little spicy, but so you said you wanted to taste some of this? That's not hot.
But it is.
So you ready to get it?
That's delicious.
See this YouTube? Can you see this? Can you see this?
Goodness.
Can you see this?
Daddy, look at that huge bite. Look at that huge bite.
You like that macaroni? It's better than mommy macaroni? Maybe. You gotta keep.
It's a 9. Mommy's macaroni is a 10 for sure. This is an 8. Right here, 8. Keep going to
8. YouTube. You see that tail? That's some good tail right there. Some good lobster tail. Scale from 1 to 5. What you think? Everything. How you like the food?
Wait, 1 to 5?
Yeah.
5 out of 5.
A 5 out of 5. So you like it.
The macaroni was
Okay.
the bacon and the waffle.
The waffle. You full?
The service was pretty long, but it was good.
You full? What didn't you like?
The macaroni didn't. I didn't really taste any butter. But at least it was good.
It was good though. It still had that flavor. So, what else didn't you like? She didn't like that we had to wait so long.
And I don't like my color.
You don't like your who?
I didn't like when I went too long.
Otherwise, everything else is good, right? I give it a 4.6.
This is pretty. Milk and honey, you're one of our good. You're in our top 10.
Milk and honey, you're in our top 10. Bon Appétite certified. Put a stamp on it. So, make sure you like,
Subscribe.
comment down below, and let us know
What do you think of the video?
and what else they need to do.
There's a notification bell every week that we drop a new video.
7 p.m. Eastern Time. What coast we on?
The East.
Yep, East Coast. So, if you like it, like it. If If you love it, subscribe. If you got anything to say, good, bad, ugly, drop it in the comment section. Let us know how you feel. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. It's all good. Ain't no bad feelings. I do this for the people that love it, that love the food, that love to eat, that love to try out new places. That's what I do it for. That's my motivation. So let's go. Signing out. You gonna say goodbye? You over there playing with your glasses?
Yes, they're really good. But signing out. Bon Appétite. Signing out. Bye-bye. Hi, Bon Appétite Freaks. Today we are doing some food stuff.
So that's how I sound? Just the FYI on Milk and Honey, I think you need to be here really early or come around 2-3 o'clock when everything done died down, because yeah, the wait was like an hour and 15 minutes, but you know, it was all good. The food is always worth it. So you need to come try out Milk and Honey. It's on my top 10 list for Atlanta, Georgia, period. The whole Georgia. Until I find something different, it's in the top 10. And we'll be posting that pretty soon. Just stay tuned. Make sure if you like it, you like it. If you love it, you subscribe. If you got anything to say, drop it in the comments. But today is over with. Milk and Honey, I'm gonna miss you till next time.